A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Greetings. Me no know if it ever happened to you, but me know say it happened to me enough time. When me a try to pray, and me a try to find the right word them for say, and me just can't pray. You didn't know say in a them the time there, the Holy Spirit I pray for you. And the Holy Spirit know exactly which word for use. Yeah, man. Think about it. And while you think about it, if you want more people to hear God talk to them in the Jamaican language, then click the like button, drop a comment below, and share this with all of your friends. And of course, if you're not subscribed yet, now at the very best time to click the subscribe button and the notification bell to make sure so you don't miss none of what I go on. All right, yes, so. Today, I'm going to read from Paul's letter to the Romans, chapter 8, from verse 18 to verse 27. All this suffer, we are suffering now. Me sure say nothing we go through can match up to all the way God are going to give you later. As a matter of fact, everything where God make, I did for God show them who him pick them be. God make it so that none of the sitting them we make could have do what make them for do. I know that the sitting them we make did want, but at that God make up in mind for do. God do that so that the sitting them we make would have look for come free them and make it so that they wouldn't dead and rotten. God would have freed them and give them all the way of put on for picnic them. Because we know say, all know everything where God make a mourn and a groan together. Everything where God make, I feel pain like a woman feel pain when she have a baby. And not just them a mourn and a groan. We have God's spirit to live in a way. The spirit were the first gift God give we. We are mourn and a groan too. But we are grown out loud. We are grown inside ourselves. We are grown because we are dead for God free from the body and give it one new one. And really make we picnic in every way. We did get saved because of what we believe. We believe and we are look for God, give it all we promise we. But if we did get all we promise already, we would need to believe. Because which one are we? Would have sit down and wait and look for get something where we get already. But if we not get all where we are look for get yet, we will sit down and wait and no move till we get it. And same time that are gone, God's spirit help we. Because we're weak. When we don't know how to pray, the spirit pray to God for we. The spirit moan and groan and say things where we don't know how to say. And God, we can look in our heart and know where we really want. Him understand where the spirit has said. Because the spirit pray for God people. And when him pray just like how God want him to pray. And God want this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.